Hello, this is Donald B. How are you guys doing? I'm here to talk to you all and explain to you all about some of the things I have in store for you all to help you guys understand and help you with your social media business. I am a social media expert helping others to train and grow their business. I want to help people get their business to another level. I want people to understand what social media can do for them. I'm here helping a lot of the beginners. A lot of the beginners who need a lot of help, especially the new business owners who know nothing about social media, but they want to utilize it, but they don't know where to start. And that's what I'm here for. I'm here to explain that to you. I have a platform that I'm going to be utilizing to help you guys to grow your business between YouTube and another platform, which I'm about to explain to you right now, is called Onlyfans. A lot of people don't know a lot about Onlyfans. It is brand new, it's pretty much like 4 years old. But what I want to do is teach you how to use it and what you can do with it to help you grow your business. Especially for a lot of people who want to do a lot of consulting or who want to teach and educate people on how to do the things that you are good at. But again, just to introduce who I am, again, my name is Donald. I have a social media platform. I have a YouTube channel called Donald B, which you're on right now. And I actually even have a family channel, which is J&D the Knuckleheads. I have a YouTube channel and I have a TikTok channel. We have over 169,000 followers on TikTok. I'm definitely pretty sure you enjoy it if you like a lot of comedy or if you like to have a lot of smiles. We're not seeing with the funniest people, but we do have a lot of people watching our channel and just enjoy just to see the family do stuff. But again, that's what I'm about. That's what I'm here to do. I'm helping people grow and people understand how social media works. First, let's talk about social media. Social media is one of the biggest things that's out there that people are utilizing right now just to be seen. It's a great avenue to use when it comes to growing a business. And the thing is, people don't know where to start and you need to know how to start that and how to use it, what to do there. And that's what I'm going to teach you. Now, there's a platform I'm going to utilize where I'm going to have a lot of training, tutorials, or showing people how to do things, how to grow their business, what they can do between just the business, between TikTok, anything that you need to help you grow. So what is OnlyFans? OnlyFans is basically a platform where people can pay you to watch your stuff. Basically, it's between posting videos. It is about the comments or posts that you post on your OnlyFans page. The thing is, for anybody to utilize it, they have to subscribe to your channel. You can charge people whatever you want, starting off with $4.99 or higher. I've seen people charge more than that, and people are making good money doing it. And if you look on the OnlyFans now, a lot of people find OnlyFans where people are treating it like the adult world, basically trying to take advantage of the fact that we're in COVID, and a lot of people who are in the adult industry are utilizing it to use another avenue to make money. But that's not the only thing it's for. If you Google OnlyFans, you'll see what it really does. It's helping people who can have great content that they want to show other people, and people are paying them to see their content. It doesn't matter the content you have. If you can be consistent and you have stuff that people want to see, then boom, this is the thing for you. If you have a niche that you want to follow and people are in your niche that want to follow that, boom, it's there for you. It's something you can utilize. It's something that I'm going to show you how to do. Yeah, I don't see anybody else here on YouTube explaining to you what OnlyFans is about. And I'm going to be that person to help you because I know a lot of people are questioning it. I'm going to do all the research for you. I'm going to help you grow and show you how to use it. So this is the channel you want to watch. This is the page. I'm telling you, I got you guys. But again, that's all I really want to tell you about this particular video. We're going to go into more details in my next video. So please hit that subscribe button. Please like everything you see here and continue watching. Leave comments. What is it you want to know about OnlyFans? Anybody have questions, comments, concerns about it, write it down. If I don't know the answer, I'm going to research it, but I'm going to tell you guys what it's all about through these videos so that you know how to utilize it, okay? Once I have everything ready to go, I promise you I'm going to make everything easy for you so you have a total understanding of how to do it, how it works, and how it can benefit you in your business. Alright guys, again, this is Donald B, and like I always say at all the end of my video, doses!